Hi guys, so do you also love a galaxy nail art on your nails and love this look? Here's an easy way to recreate it using just a few things. Okay, so let's dive into what I've used. We're going to be doing it on my thumb. First, I started off with this gorgeous Cosmos peel off base coat, right? It prevents you from, any damage on your nail bed. Plus, it is an excellent base coat and you can literally just peel off your nail polish anytime that you like. It's non-toxic. It's even friendly for kids and all. So it makes the perfect base for me whenever I'm doing a nail art or at least experimenting. And it's the godsend for using glitter stuff and all of those, because then removing becomes an ease and you don't have to expose yourself to acetone or anything like that. Right. Next, what we're using is this beautiful polish from Lights Lacquer. As you can see, this is a beautiful gold gray base with some shimmers in it of a very nice midnight blue color, very unique color as well. Actually, these are a little on the greener side. As you can see, I have applied it already and it looks absolutely divine. What I'm wearing is a single coat and it's phenomenal. I'm just going to apply the second coat and then we get started. Next, to create this beautiful magnetic effect, I have used this polish from Penelope Luz. I'm going to tell you about it. And I mean, look at the packing firstly. Isn't it so pretty? Okay, so this is what we're going to be using. And then, of course, since we're using a magnetic nail polish, we're also going to be needing a magnetic wand. In fact, I have a special technique for which we'll actually be using two magnetic wands to get a unique effect. Okay, so stay tuned to get it into action. Right, so let's get started. First, I'm going to be applying this pretty polish. Right, so here we go. Here we have the shade light. It applies very, very smoothly and gives a gorgeous look. And the packaging of Lights Lacquer is very luxe and premium. I absolutely love it. The shade is called Sorry Not Sorry. And here is the fourth apply. Now let's wait for it to dry. It doesn't really take too long. So then we dive into this beautiful polish from Penelope Luz. And just to show you what goodness it captures, can you see that gorgeousness? Yes, it is blue plus purple in its looks and it's absolutely divine. Here you go. So this is a magnetic polish. All it has are particles which are magnetically activated and reactive to magnet. So these are basically going to be pigments. So that is why you see one particular color arranging itself to it. And it looks absolutely gorgeous, right? So the consistency of this is beautiful. And if you did not notice, this is a reflective glitter polish, right? So it comes alive in the night and you can see how pretty it looks, right? So if you can see already, okay, it is dry and it's, I think, time to move on. Great. So for this, first we're going to clasp the two magnets in a unique way. Okay, not like this, but we have to make them stand in front of each other. That is somewhat like such. Okay, and then I'm going to place my thumb between these, right? And then we're going to apply this gorgeous polish. How pretty is it? Okay, let's get into it. So now that our magnetic arrangement is ready, we take this beautiful polish. Place our thumb so that it has a base to work with. Okay, take this gorgeous polish and dive right in. Can you see the magnetic effect taking its grip? And I can obviously adjust it to my liking. Here is its effect, so prominent in the first coat itself. You have to hold it for a little while, as you can see, so that the magnetic effect gets settled. And you always have to be very quick with the magnet because the particles can move only when it is wet. And as you can see, the magnetic effect is settled. And here we have a beautiful looking nail art. If you want to add more oomph to it, what you can do is go in for a second coat. We will actually be going in for the second coat as well. And here it is with the first coat. I'm also going to turn on the flash and show you what I'm talking about when I mean reflective glitter plus magnetic, because this is a glorious polish that deserves all your attention. Okay, so seemingly this is dry and I think it is time to go again. I'm going to give you a close up into this. And here we have the polish coming right in with the magnetic effect so pronounced. Can you see it? I think I'm loving this. This is the look that I want to go for. And I'm gonna hold it for a little while. And voila. Here it is, my beautiful magnetic nail, like you can see. And the galaxy effect is so pronounced. This is what it looks like in the day. And once I'm going to show it to you with a flash on so you know what it looks. So here's the final look of this polish, and here you can see the gorgeous magnetic effect and the northern lights effect that I've been talking to you about. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Do comment below what you want to see next on the channel.